Hi AutoEdit Event Recap Mode users, it's Devin, founder of 11%, just sending out an email to let you know that we've updated AutoEdit Event Recap Mode. There's a lot of bug fixes. First and foremost, for those of you who are encountering a black screen when you loaded up the plugin, sorry for the inconvenience, but we updated this new file, so make sure to download it. It's in your emails. It's sent in a separate email from this one, so just make sure to check your inbox. It should be from a Shopify email. To reinstall it, we have a full tutorial linked down below, which goes down the steps. You don't need to delete anything. It should overwrite all the older files. Also, we added some new updates to the B-roll selector mode. So if you're still on the older quick selects mode, make sure to update it. It's a lot faster and won't ever get stuck on loading your B-roll selects again. And we also have some new settings for the documentary styles so you can add more customization to your event recap modes. And just FYI reminder again, this plugin is not meant to give you a perfect finished stylized edit. It's just meant to give you a rough cut, so then that way you can focus on being the creative director and making all those creative choices yourself instead of spending time doing all that repetitive setup boring work. The plugin is just meant to get you a rough cut. It's not going to be perfect. Don't expect it to be perfect, but the goal is just to help you eliminate all that repetitive busy work. If you have any questions, just make sure to email us team@11%.net. Either I or one of my team members will help reply to you. One last reminder, AutoEdit is no longer just one plugin. AutoEdit's like a suite, so we have multiple plugins within the AutoEdit suite. So for those of you who need help with your plugin, if you can just let us know which type of AutoEdit plugin you're using, whether that's event recap mode, music video mode, or a new content creator mode, just let us know which mode it is, and that way we can best assist you. Let me know if you have any questions, feature requests. Other than that, happy editing. Talk to you soon.